Hi, welcome to shafimon.com. One beautiful morning. Today I came near the waterfront and shoot some landscape or seascape. I bring today from Benro FH 100 master filter system. This is filter holder and I have one ND 1000 solid filter and the other one graduated ND 16 ND 16, it's 1.2. This is 100 by 150 filter. So this is a graduated filter. It's an ND filter, ND 1000, and I have a filter holder for this one. The whole package is called master kit. So we will see what's inside the master kit. Let me open this one. So when you open this one, you can see two cases, one for 150 by 100 filter and one for 100 by 100. You have a case here. So the advantage of this one, you can fit the square filters inside. So when you put it in and take it out, it will not, you don't need to touch the glass. So it's a very good advantage. They give a case for this one, so you can fit one inside. And there is an instruction manual, and there is something like this, which I don't know. And you have a beautiful aluminum filter holder. Also this filter holder with 82mm filter thread, and you have one additional 77mm reducer ring. So if you buy this one, you can use it either 77mm system or 82mm system. So I have 82mm Sigma 2470 art lens. I mounted this one on S7R3. So just let me keep these things inside, and we will continue with the filter holder. Is 50 Kuwaiti dinars, and each filter, the ND 1000 filter is 40 Kuwaiti dinar, and graduated ND filter is 49. It's like 50 Kuwaiti dinar. So it's 50 Kuwaiti dinar for the gradient filter, and one ND filter 1000 is 40 Kuwaiti dinar, and the holder is 50 Kuwaiti dinar. It's too windy here, so we need to keep the things safe. Okay, about this filter, we have 3 slots inside this. This is fiber and it's aluminum. Also about the back, when you look at the back side, you have a turning knob here. The advantage is when you fix the 150mm filter, you can turn and you can control the graduation level here. Also, if you fix the ring, you can just push this one and take this out. It's very easy. So let me fix the first element into the 82mm holder. So I already fixed the 82mm on my 2470 art lens, and it's very easy. You just need to do like this. So you already fixed the filter system, you already mounted the filter holder in your camera. It's very easy. Let me turn this one. It's very easy. You just pull this one and take this out. Or if you want to fix, you just keep this one on the place and just release it. So this is how you can fix this filter system. It is easy to turn, and also if you are fixing a circular polarizer, you can rotate it from here. So it's very easy. You don't need to rotate it from the front. You can easily rotate the circular polarizer here. Even though when you mount your filter system here, you can easily rotate your polarizer from here. So just let me keep this one like this, and we will see how we will mount the filters inside this one. Okay, the filters are coming in a plastic box. This plastic box is a great weather sealed box. So even though your filter inside, there will not be any mist or air coming inside, because they already have rubber gadgets. All the master filters from Benro, it is coming like this. Then let me take the 100mm filter system out. So this is 100mm. and it's coming in a great pouch. And just take the filter and you can easily put it like this. So you have a knob here. When you want to fit the filter inside, you can slide this one and fit the filter inside. Once you fix the filter inside, you turn the knob in the middle. So your filter system is ready to mount on the holder. So this is how the look. You don't need to touch the glass, it's very good. So you just slide it inside. Now your ND system is already mounted. So this is how you mount, and now we can see how we can shoot the location. So I already mounted the 150 by 100 mm filter, graduated filter. So let me keep this one here. This is also coming in a pouch like this, and I already mounted here. So now we can see the advantage of this knob. If we turn this one, you can see the filter is going up and down. You can control the gradient level like this to dark to the light. Also, if you mounted three filters together, another gradient filter or something, you just press this one and turn. So you can control three filters together with this knob. So this is the filter system from Benro FH 100 M2. It's a master filter system. So I'm Shafimon with you, and you can visit my website shafimon.com. You can follow me in YouTube, Magic Hand 07. I took these filters from AAB World Kuwait. They are the authorized distributors here in Kuwait for Benro. So thank you so much for watching. I will come with another good video, and signing off. Bye.